Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni. DJ Zinhle has been trending on Twitter for posting her baby daddy aka, and trips have been calling her out for neglecting Muda, her current boyfriend and baby daddy, even though she posted him on her Instagram. And now she's being trolled for her looks again. People have been resharing her pics of her makeup-free and bald looks from the reality show DJ Zinhle The Unexpected. Someone posted her pic and wrote, "But when we say DJ Zinhle looks like Khune bazothi we bowling." One also said, "Yo guys, hi DJ Zinhle, without makeup she's movie." One also defended her and said, "Most of you don't look like your pics, leave Zinhle alone." Well, I totally agree with this guy. Leave Zinhle alone. I think she's pretty with or without a makeup. Our next celebrity that we'll be talking about is Khaya Dladla. The actor and radio personality Khaya Dladla and his partner Mamkhize Buthelezi have allegedly broken up. The couple was once of the Mzansi's favorite gay couple in the celebville, and they were completely inseparable. The pair has even deleted pictures of each other on their respective social media platforms. They have also unfollowed each other on Instagram. It is so sad to watch couples break up. They were so cute together, guys. Our next celebrity that we'll be talking about is Sizwe Dlomo. The businessman, TV and radio personality Sizwe Dlomo is celebrating his birthday today, and Musa wished him a happy birthday and wrote, "Sizwe Dlomo celebrates his 39th birthday." People commented on his tweet. One wrote, "So Sizwe Dlomo is older than Khune." Someone also said, "But Khune is 35. Well, I just don't get it why people are always comparing celebrities. It's all about the genes. Maybe we should stop bullying celebrities. Anyways, happy birthday to Sizwe Dlomo. Our next celebrity that we'll be talking about is Mamkhize. The businesswoman left the timeline divided when her Good Samaritan work helped put shelter on top of the three families. The businesswoman and Royal AM owner announced on her Instagram that she and the eThekwini municipality handed over the first three houses to victims of the KZN floods. This initiative was made possible when she partnered with the municipality together with Zikhulise Group and Royal AM to build these homes. Although the three houses are just a start, she plans to build 17 more houses to achieve her goal of 20 homes. Mamkhize is a real rock shame. She's doing a great job by helping those who are in need, but people will always talk whether you are doing good or bad. Someone tweeted and said, "Mamkhize doesn't respect the poor. What is this?" One also replied and said, "The quality of this house is so bad. Even the bedding on the bed has no duvet inner. When donating, at least have some quality and pride." Someone also wrote, "You can't be criticizing Mamkhize when your very own government failed to provide even a bowl of soup." One also said, "An R8 loaf is better than nothing, guys. Some of you have never experienced poverty and it shows." Mamkhize is helping from her pocket. She's not delivering on a government tender. Well, Mamkhize has done a great job. We should thank her for helping out in KZN. What's your take on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.